Students, we would be discussing this question and its solution. The question states that we have to state two advantages of conserving forests, and second is that wildlife. So we have to write down two advantages of conserving forest and two advantages of conserving wildlife. So let us move to the solution part. So here we can see that it is written that conserving forest may help us in retaining subsoil water, and the second advantage would be checking floods. You can write any two. These are the ones given in the solution part. So I guess there's nothing to explain. And the second is two benefits of conserving wildlife. So if we conserve wildlife, which is uh, very much important nowadays, it would help us in maintaining the ecological balance, and this is the main point written in the NCERT also, and protecting the nature. So these are the two benefits respectively of conserving forests and conserving wildlife.